Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we give thanks to Allah for giving us the opportunity to witness this year's Ramadan in sound health. We pray He continue to guide, protect, and bless us with many more of it. Ameen. Today, inshallah, we are going to be looking at the topic vocabulary development, register of computers. Firstly, what is computer? A computer is an electronic device that stores information and uses programs to help find, organize, or change the information. A computer is an electronic device that stores information and uses programs to help find, organize, or change the information. In other words, a computer is an electronic machine impacted with the human intelligence. Now, what do we mean by register of computers? These involve the vocabularies or the lexemes associated with computers. They are the terminologies or the technical jargons associated with the computer. Some of these are analog, data processing task, digital, hybrid, control units, arithmetic and logic units, main memory, central processing units called the CPU, data, input devices, keyboard, hardware, programs, software, programmer, word processing, documents, editing, mouse, insert, delete, format, underlining, bold print, subscript, superscript, search, add features, revise documents, monitor, taskbar, cursor, hard disk, and floppy diskettes. Now note the ways the highlighted words above are used in the passage below to get their meanings. A computer is an electronic device that performs various types of data processing tasks. There are analog, digital, and hybrid computers, but the most commonly used is digital. In a digital computer, the control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, the main memory, form the central processing unit called the CPU. Data and instructions are fed into the CPU through different kinds of input devices, including direct entry from a keyboard. The parts of the computer we can see are called the hardware, while the programs fed into the computer are called software. Programs are created and written by a human programmer, as the computer can only perform the task it has been programmed to perform. One of the tasks performed by the computer is word processing, which is the composition of text such as letters, memoranda, articles, books, and other documents. Word processing has made it possible to produce text without erasures, misspellings, and ugly corrections, as mistakes can easily be corrected through editing before printing out the document. With the use of the keyboard and/or mouse, you can achieve, among others, the following in word processing: insert or delete or merge materials to create longer documents, produce special formats such as underlining, bold print, subscript, and superscript, check for misspellings, repetitions, search for specific words and replace, add features such as headings, margins, copy and revise documents without retyping, and produce personalized form letters, notices, and memoranda for regular use. The monitor component of the computer enables you to see the task you perform displayed on a screen. When you want to start your computer, switch on electricity and the central processing unit. The loudspeakers and the monitor are lit. It is better to use the uninterrupted power supply called UPS, which cleans, stabilizes, and retains electricity when the light goes off. With the light on, click on the icon Start on taskbar using the mouse. Then point the cursor to Programs and click Program Name. You may choose to save the document, create a file for it, and store it in a hard disk, C or A or D, etc., or in a floppy diskette. To save your files, you create folders. All you need to do is click on the right icon in the menu bar, and the task is done. The printer component enables you to print out your document when desired. By clicking on the print menu, you will get all the directions you need for this task. When you are through with the computer, close it by clicking Shut Down in the Close Program dialog box. Inshallah, dear students, this is going to be the little discussion on the first topic for the week. The passage just read is on page 189, pages 189 to 190 of your NOSEG. That is your new Oxford Secondary English course for secondary schools too. I wish every one of us success in our academic endeavors. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.